Ingredients. If the bottle gourd is of this size, we can use half of this bottle gourd for making a soup that can serve 2 people. Chop it along with the peel, and then we need 2 tomatoes, 1 cup thick coconut milk, coconut pieces to garnish, curry leaves and cilantro, salt to taste, ginger and pepper and cumin seeds. Black sprouted urad dal I have used to garnish again. We are taking 2 tomatoes chopped into small pieces. Now I add everything one by one. So I've added the bottle gourd. Next I'm adding in the tomatoes, and then I'm going to add in the curry leaves and the pepper and cumin seeds and the salt, and also the cilantro leaves. Everything is added and we are going to blend it into a fine paste, adding coconut milk little by little. Once I grind everything, it becomes a paste like this. After that, I again grind it by adding some more coconut milk. I have not added coconut milk as of yet. We'll be starting to add it now. Now I've added some coconut milk into this mixture, and I'm going to grind it. After it becomes a fine smooth paste, I will be adding some more coconut milk and grinding it again. So now it has become a smooth paste. So I'm adding the remaining coconut milk and and you can see that it will come to a soup consistency after the remaining coconut milk is added. Now, can you see the consistency of the soup? It has come to a liquid consistency that is very much like the soup that we have. But this, remember, is raw soup. And yes, people, it is this easy. This is the soup. Does this not look super yummy? I have garnished it with coconut and sprouted whole black urad dal. Almost all the ingredients that I have used is organic. But if it's not organic, even then, that's fine. Because this food is full of prana. And it energizes the body, mind and soul. Raw food is soul food. In order to sustain in a raw food diet, it is very difficult to do so without uppu pulipu karam. Yes, we need raw food, but நம்ம உடம்புக்கு அறுசுவைகளும் கூட தேவைதான். We also need to balance our body and mind, and hence this raw soup uses pepper, cumin seeds, little bit of ginger, salt, tomato, and we can also use amchur powder, dried mango powder. I do have it and it's homemade. So if you can also make it during the mango season at home, you can use that too. So balance is the key word. We need to balance our body and mind in order to follow a lifestyle change in a sustainable manner. Now, how does the soup taste? Well, let me find out and let you know. Wow, it really does taste fantastic. Usually the sprouted black whole urad dal has a flavor of its own, which I don't prefer much. But in this soup, it's super yummy and crunchy, and that flavor is not at all evident. And there's a slight tangy taste because of the tomato. So the soup is super yum, creamy, and of the perfect consistency. Try it and let me know how you like it. Why raw? Because when we cook the food in heat, the life in the food gets reduced considerably. And what about bottle gourd and tomato and urad dal? Well, whole black urad dal is very good for bone development and is an amazing food for kids, especially when sprouted, and can be eaten raw and easily digested because it is sprouted. And it is very good for the female reproductive system. Bottle gourd is a native vegetable, water rich, and has so many health benefits. The vitamin C that is there in the tomatoes is very delicate. As we all know, the vitamin is very delicate, and it gets easily damaged by heating. So when we eat this raw, all the nourishment and the nutrition is given to our body, and no wonder we feel very energetic and our skin starts glowing when we eat pranic food.